The Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 has flagged off the distribution of medical supplies to Ecowas member countries. The medical supplies are to help in the region in the fight against the coronavirus public health crisis. Moyo Thomas reports.
Nigeria's capital city, Abuja, has been designated by Ecowas and the West African Health Organization as a central hub for receipt and distribution of medical supplies to all member countries. The Ecowas authorities of heads of state and government also appointed Nigerian President Muhammadu Buhari as a champion of the fight against COVID-19. This is because of the important role Nigeria plays not only in the region but also on the continent. The president, upon his appointment, promised to provide logistics support in the distribution of the sourced medical supplies. The Nigerian Air Force have therefore been mandated to carry out the distribution.
You take over these materials and commence the operation of distribution to West African states.
This flag-off is in fulfillment of the promise.
Our President Muhammadu Buhari, has risen to the occasion of being a true champion. And in that position, he has been able to demonstrate leadership. He has demonstrated good neighborliness.
Therefore, whatever affects the Ecowas region naturally affects us. And we have every reason to show concern, and not just show concern, but to give all the assistance that we can to ensure that we address whatever problem it is together.
And I want to assure you, in line with our responsibilities of providing aid to civil power and civil authority, we are going to carry out these instructions to the last letter.
Sadly, the pandemic has caused much havoc in the region. There are about 139,000 recorded cases, while deaths have soared to about 2,214 persons to date. The supply of this medical equipment will hopefully aid efforts to flatten the curve of the pandemic in the region.
Keep on increasing. So we need to really continue. We need to really maintain the pressure, continue to work collectively, of course, because that's the only way we can really succeed in fighting this COVID-19.
Flattening the curve of COVID-19 in ECOWAS member states is very important. Distribution of medical supplies like this will help in the fight against COVID-19 and help the economies of the West African regional bodies to bounce back. Moya Thomas, TVC News, Abuja.